Hi, Servando Roscoe. Welcome to Roscoe's Auto Services, the most trusted shops in Long Beach and Bellflower. Today, I'm going to talk about brake fluid service. Calipers on these brakes operate similar to bicycle brakes. With the pressure of hydraulic fluid, brake pistons press the pads against the brakes. Brake fluid attracts moisture, becomes contaminated, and compromises braking performance that may require replacement of brake parts. A simple test shows how well the brake fluid is protecting the brake system. Your Roscoe's Brake Service removes all the old fluid and replaces it with a new high formula BG.3 or .4 brake fluid. Brakes are the most important safety system, so it pays to have them inspected regularly. For more information, go to roscoesautoservice.com.